Good morning, everyone. I am headed out in the terrible weather. I don't know if you can hear the wind behind me, but I'm gonna go get some groceries before my husband leaves for work. So join me for this day. It gets so windy here, you guys. Ah! Look at how big of a mess this place is. It's kind of like a bomb went off in here. For this first bit of cleaning, I am starting with the kitchen, unloading the dishwasher. I'm going to clean some dishes. In the meantime, I am cooking us some breakfast, so you'll see me dishing up some breakfast toward the end of this clip. But I always like to start with the kitchen because that is my main living space, main domain of the house. So I like to get it clean and tidied up first. Hey, cutie pie. Can you tell me what you're eating? Is that an apple? Can you say apple? Apple. And some banana chips. So we're taking a quick recess from cleaning to have a quick snack. I've also received a question about which B12 I take, so this is the one. Next, I like to just complete the space by giving the counters a quick wipe down. Now remember, this isn't a clean with me, it's just a tidy with me because we are not into our permanent home yet, but I will be doing a clean with me when we have our new place. Next, I move into the bedroom and take care of folding up the laundry that we hand dry here because they only have a single washer and all-in-one dryer kind of thing that doesn't work all that well. It leaves your clothes pretty wrinkly, so we air dry our clothes. So I'm just folding those up and then I will fold up the drying rack and put it away. Now I'm just going to put away all of the folded laundry and make the bed. Next, moving on to my daughter's room, I am just folding things up, making the bed, putting away the laundry, and it looks so much better already, and that was quick. Alright, so there was a short break in the rain, so we are headed to a little park called Chickens and Bunnies Park. And it's fun to go to because it's got little chickens and bunnies, like it says, and lots of fun neighborhood donated kid toys, like little tricycles and bikes and all kinds of fun stuff to play with. So that's going to be really fun for Sydney to play with. And yeah, look at our view. Nice little canal walk this morning. So we're just glad the weather's good enough for us to get outside for a minute. Sydney, can you say hi? Say hi. So all of these little hooks on the top of the buildings here are to help get your furniture into the top floors of the buildings. Crazy, right? So we are headed to my favorite cafe right now. Sydney is walking like a big girl on her own, and I'm teaching her where it's safe to walk and how to look for traffic and look for bikes and stuff before walking. I'm sorry, you guys, a plane is going by. And not to walk in puddles unless we have our boots on. But we're gonna head to my favorite little French cafe, grab a little coffee drink, and then head back for some lunch. So join me. This is a really typical dinner, something that Sydney would have. So she's got avocado, lentils, dried banana chips, and a little clementine. That's my healthy girl. And she'll have a little bit of almond milk with that. So this is how the curry turned out. Basically, you scoop this into a bowl over a bed of delicious lentils, and bam, there you go. So I'll show you the final product when we eat. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I wanted to let you know that from now on I'm going to be releasing my nutrition videos on Fridays, and my vlogs will be released every Tuesday as usual, so everybody kind of gets what they like on this channel. So 2 videos a week. I hope you enjoy. See you soon. Bye.